Hey everyone, Becky from Week 99er here. I am downtown Detroit at the North American International Auto Show. So I'm going to show you around and some of the stuff you can see and experience when you are here. The show opens to the public this Friday. I think there's a free reception you can come to on Thursday down in the atrium space of Gobo. So let's take a look around and see what kind of cars, what's coming out in 2020 and beyond. So this is, I'm guessing, a prototype for one of the taxi.
Exactly.
Okay. So 300 miles an hour. Where would this take us?
So the goal is city transportation. So,
Okay.
You're downtown, you have a flight in 1 hour. You can take a cab, so just take a Uber that flies, basically.
And what's, to the average consumer, what is the price point going to be for taking an air cab?
So we're looking at the price of a Uber X.
Oh.
Yeah.
So $15 I could fly down to Metro Airport from my house and...
Exactly.
Fuel-wise?
It's all electric.
Wow,
It's all electric.
that's nice.
And when do you think this will hit the market?
We are targeting 2020.
2020? Next year.
Just gonna say, 'cause
I wondered,
2020,
yeah.
Yeah, me too. I was wondering about that too.
So where would we pick this up? Like City Airport or...
So City Airport will definitely be a point.
Okay.
Smaller regional airports, there are actually tons of them in the US. And at some point, heliports
Okay.
for the top of the buildings.
Okay. That's really cool.